Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use our app. The first thing you want to do is download the correct file for your system. In this case, I'm using Windows 64-bit, so that is what I'm using. The first thing you want to have is the zip file somewhere in some folder or something, and you want to extract it. You can do this multiple ways. If you have 7-zip, you can just extract to the folder or extract here, or you can use Windows extract all feature in this situation. And you can just, hit extract and it'll extract it for you. All right. So now we have the folder extracted. We can go ahead and open it. And in here, you'll see a couple different files. The main one you want to focus on is uttergarbo.exe. This is the actual game. In order to run it, you just double click it on Windows. Just do the equivalent on your system. So when you launch the executable, you're going to get a configuration window like this. Here you can change screen resolutions and graphics quality. I recommend going for the highest you can. In this case, Ultra is not a very intensive game. And then you can go to input and you can change the buttons, button configuration. In my case, I don't really need to do that, so we'll just leave it how it is. Um, yeah, so, and then you just hit play. So once you boot up the game, you will notice a couple options here. We have continue game, new game, options, credits, and quit. Normally when you start the game for the first time, continue game will be grayed out. But in my case, I already have a save, so I can continue the game. In the options, you can adjust the music settings. I currently have the music off, so we can focus on the tutorial. Credits allows you to view the credits of the game, and quits the game. So we're going to start by hitting new game. So to move, you can press the WASD by default, and you can also press the arrow keys. And to move the camera, you just use the mouse. And you can press shift to run, and then you can press space to jump. And you can collect these coins. Oh, I fell off and died. As you can see, you just sort of respawn. These coins you can collect, and they will increase your garbage counter in the upper left. And you can jump on various objects. And then you can use a grappling hook, which will pull you up. And you use that by pressing the mouse click or using control. Now when you walk up to NPCs, they will talk to you. And you can get across this gap by using the grappling hook. There are also enemies in the game, which will push you, as you can see. Oh, there we go. And you can pick these enemies up by pressing the pickup button, which is E by default. And you can throw them by pressing F, like that. These turrets will shoot bullets at you that will slow you down, so try to avoid the bullets as best you can. There are also buttons you can press which will create new platforms. I will show you one right now. Most of them do not have a garbage requirement, but there are some that do. For example, this one has a 25 garbage requirement, so you just press it and it spawns a grapple hook right here, or grapple point right here. And then this one right here creates a portal. There are also springs, which you can use by jumping on them and they will bounce you. And if you press jump at the right time, you will get an extra boost and jump. There are also moving platforms, which will move you. When you press escape, a menu will pop up, which will give you several choices. The first one will just return you back to the game, which you can also do by pressing escape again. You can also save a game, which will save you your current level, which you are on. In this case, I'm on level 2. Load game will load you to the beginning of whatever level you saved on. So in this case, it'll load me back into level 2, as you can see. Options will give you options. You can change the volume of the music and the sound effects, or all of the volume together. And then main menu will return you to the main menu, and quit game will quit the game.